Hey guys, what's up? So I have nothing on my face right now, and that's because this week I thought I would show you guys my everyday makeup routine that I wear when I'm going to school, taking Instagram pictures, doing everyday life, hence why it's called my everyday makeup routine. I really didn't have to explain that. A few of you guys have requested this video, and I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys what I put on my face every day because it's a new year. I am using different products and I have a different routine, so let's just get started. Before I started recording, I quickly washed my face and put on some moisturizer, so that step's already out of the way. So to start off this makeup look, I am gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. As of right now, I'm not breaking out, thank goodness, but I do have some pretty gnarly acne scars, so we're just gonna pretend those don't exist and cover those up. I've been using this concealer for ever now, and I have tried other concealers and I just keep going back to this. For the longest time, when I did my makeup, I would always have to put on like a medium coverage like CC cream or foundation. Your girl has been going a little bit more natural, which is helping with the whole acne situation because I'm not caking on pounds of CC cream or foundation every day. So now that my face is concealed, I'm just going to put on some Laura Mercier translucent powder. This stuff has been my holy grail forever. Next, I like to do eyes. I don't know why, it's kind of out of order, but it's just how I do things. So next, I like to do a tiny bit of eyeshadow. I have really small almond shaped eyes. So what I like to do to make my eyes not look so freaking small is to take the Tarte Toasted palette and go in with Latte, which is this like kind of chocolatey, orangey brown color, and just put that into my crease. And that is way too much of that color. We're gonna blend this out like a crazy person. And then I take Latte again and take the tiniest bit and drag it onto my lower lash line. And there you go, my eyes now stand out. Kind of. So now we're just gonna curl the lashes and prep them for mascara. I've kind of recently realized that mascara isn't something you need to go high-end for. So I have been loving the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It is literally the exact same thing as the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but it's like literally a third of the price. I like to fill in my brows just the tiniest bit, and I have been loving the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil to do that with. This is the best thing ever. Thank you, James Charles, for the recommendation. And then to set everything in place and just blend everything together, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Give Me Brow, which is just an eyebrow gel. To add some color back into my face so I don't look like a ghost, I have been using recently the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. It's so like creamy and pretty, and I highly recommend. And I kind of just apply this like to my temples and my forehead and my cheekbones to make it look like I actually go outside. I've been using this Too Faced blush for the longest time. It's in the shade Baby Love. I love it. I love the shade of it. Super natural. And I just apply that on top of my bronzer and just kind of blend that in. I probably put too much on. Whoops. Oh well. For a nice glow, I have been obsessed with the Becca highlighter in Opal. I love how you can put on the tiniest bit and just make it look like you have a subtle natural glow, or you can put on like 3 layers of this and look like a disco ball. And then I'm also gonna pop some of this in my inner corners of my eyes as well. And to finish up this look, I'm just gonna throw on some chapstick. And then to kind of just melt all of this into my face, I love using the Mario Badescu facial sprays. This one is the lavender one. So this is the finished look, nothing too crazy. It doesn't look like you are super cakey and are wearing tons of makeup, which is the look I've been going for lately. Didn't used to in the past, but new year, new me. I hate that I just said that. So there you guys go. That's what I do to my face every day when I put on makeup. If you're new to my channel and you happen to like this video, definitely subscribe. I post new videos every Saturday for you guys, and I will see you guys next week with another video.